Hi, welcome to Drawing Technical. A commenter pointed out, something to note here. When you draw walls, or brick and block details, remember to have the brick starting mortar first, because you build walls starting with the mortar first, to glue the wall to the ground. You could probably argue that the bricklayer should have the sense to know his job and start with the mortar first, but in the legendary words of this wise commenter. Of course, it will be obvious to the bricklayer, but you also get the odd dumbass builder who will literally do what he sees drawn on the paper, lol. So yes, do it the safe way and draw your mortar first. Don't let the bricklayer have the argument that he simply just followed your drawings. Don't be a dumbass, and don't let people be dumbasses. Happy drawing!